Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use heat transfer vinyl along with your Cricut machine to design your own t-shirts and other apparel. Things that you'll need is a plain t-shirt, your heat transfer vinyl in whatever color you choose. In today's video, I am using my Cricut Explorer Air. You will need a Cricut cutting mat. I am using a light grip mat. You'll also need an ironing board and iron.
The first step is to design what you would like on your t-shirt. You can use the Cricut Design Space app to design the pattern or wording that you would like. I've already designed what I'll be cutting out today, and now I'm uploading the image onto the Cricut Design Space and cleaning up the background. Now that I've done that, I'm going to finish uploading the image and insert it onto the canvas and adjust it to the desired size. Now I'm hitting the Make It button, and it will take me to the mat so I can see how it will cut out on the mat. Since this is an iron-on, I'm going to turn on the mirror setting. This flips the image around so that it is ironed onto the t-shirt. It is facing the correct direction. The vinyl has two sides to it. One is the vinyl side and the other is the clear plastic side. You are going to want to place the sheet of vinyl with the vinyl side up and the clear plastic side down. Now that I have loaded my mat, it's time to get cutting. Now that it's all done, I'm going to remove the sheet of vinyl from the cutting mat and cut away the excess vinyl. It's time to weed out the vinyl. I'm just using a safety pin to help weed out the insides of the letters. It's time to iron the transfer on. I've placed the transfer onto my t-shirt where I'd like it, and my iron is ready to go. I have the iron set to medium heat, and I just press it onto the transfer. I like to keep pressing until I see the clear side start to bubble up just a little. It's all finished.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was informative and helped inspire you to start creating using your Cricut machine. Happy crafting!